In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin messages in Telegram. Pinning is a simple way to keep an important note, link, or announcement visible at the top of a chat so you and others don't have to scroll to find it. I'll be showing this on Telegram desktop and the web version, so whether you've installed the app on your computer or you're using a browser at web.telegram.org, you're covered. Start by opening Telegram desktop or going to the web version and signing in if you aren't already. Next, open the chat that contains the message you want to keep at the top. This can be a one-on-one conversation, a group chat, or a channel. Once you're in the right place, locate the specific message you want to pin. Move your mouse so it hovers over that message. As you hover, you'll see a small 3 dots icon appear to the side of the message. Click that 3 dots menu to open more options. From the menu, select Pin Message. At this point, Telegram may ask whether you want to notify members or pin silently. Notifying members sends an alert, so everyone in the chat sees that something has been pinned, which is great for urgent announcements. Pinning silently keeps the chat undisturbed. Perfect for when you want to keep things organized without pinging everyone. Choose the option that fits your situation. Once you confirm, the message is pinned and will appear at the top of the chat window. On Telegram desktop and the web, you'll see a banner or a small strip highlighting the pinned message. Clicking that banner will jump you straight to the pinned content, which is especially handy in busy chats. In one-on-one conversations, the pinned message is visible to both participants. In groups and channels, everyone can see the pin, and the notify setting controls whether they get an alert about it. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the 3 dots icon, try hovering a bit closer to the right edge of the message, or expand your window so the controls aren't hidden. In groups and channels, you might need admin privileges to pin messages. If you don't have permission, you'll see an error or the pin option won't appear. In many group chats, multiple messages can be pinned over time. You can click the pinned bar to cycle through them if there are several. That's all there is to it. By using the 3 dots menu on the message and choosing whether to notify or pin silently, you can keep critical information front and center for yourself and your community.